I have one life to live, and if I don't do it now, when am I gonna do it?
Do you not get the concept?
Can we say a little prayer, guys? Thanks, my love. Give me your hand. Give me the keys, please. Just remind me to give it to you. Ready? Thank you, Lord. This morning. In your name I pray. Amen. Let's go. We need to get pick up Zuri. I've shared you. Good morning, everybody. It is a Wednesday morning. I keep saying Tuesday. Zuri, okay? We have Zuri on deck. You guys have seen Zuri before. She used to be our neighbor before we moved, but she's also a family friend. Like her parents are family friends, so we and Zuri are basically family at this point. The boys call her their cousin. Zuri say the boys are her cousins. So traffic as usual in these streets. Like yesterday, the traffic was really bad, and I had to also stop for gas yesterday, guys. And if you guys know the gas debacle that we have in this car, oh God, hey, tell me why I never miggle the patrol. My fault, you know better, but you just can't bother. That's me this morning, guys. So a little announcement that I have for you guys is that last night I went ahead and I shared my first children's book that I wrote or co-wrote with the boys, because they did have some input, and everybody was just so supportive. Like, just the feedback was so positive and encouraging, and everybody's placing their orders, and like I did not expect this snowball of an effect, because I was like, okay, I'm gonna publish the book. It's available on Amazon actually, and it's a paperback book, so you can go ahead and order, because in this day and age I'm expecting everybody who are interested, that is, to just order it online. But guys, the people them say them want in person pick up, and I have no books on hand. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go ahead and place an order, like a little batch, a small batch. So far I've received like about 7 requests for books, so I may top it up a notch just in case anyone else asks. I guess about a dozen or so, based on the current demand, and I'm just so happy. I don't know if I mentioned, but the book is based on, it's not really a true story, it's more like a little fiction mixed in with a little education. I have to be maneuvering these potholes and then trying to focus. It's just so hard. So when I get back in some traffic, I'll talk to you guys a little bit more. Traffic, yay! I've never been this excited for traffic. So yeah, now I can talk to you guys. So I don't know if I mentioned, but the book is actually based on the boys, because it's basically 2 Jamaican boys exploring their island, or little but Talawa Island, Jamaica. And, just discovering all the gems that it has to offer, learning more about their country. And the idea of this book came about when the boys used to just always want to go on adventures all over the place, but believe it or not, they don't really know every single thing about their country as yet. They just know they live in Jamaica, right? So they wanted to go on adventures, but sometimes it's just not feasible to take 2 kids and go on a little road trip on demand. I mean, we plan to do a little road trip for them in honor of the book, but in the meantime I try to find an avenue that they could live vicariously through, which is the book. So the book basically takes place, the setting is Jamaica. It starts in Kingston, and it's basically the boys exploring every single parish in Jamaica, learning new things about each parish. We're going to history, current affairs, you name it. It's also very interactive. So at the bottom of each page you have our outline of our island, Jamaica, and it's separated into different parishes, and you basically follow a pin. So there's a pin on the map, right? So there's a map of Jamaica that they can even color. I ensured to leave it blank so they could color it. And it basically has a pin, so you have to follow the pin to see what parish you're in. Yes, I came up with that. So each time they visit a new parish, the pin moves and it names the parish. It gives you the capital. You can color it if you like, just so you know how it looks on the map. You learn so much about the parish. You learn about its history. As I said, like, it's just so fun and interactive. And the quality, guys, let me tell you, the quality is top notch. Amazon KDP did their big one with this book. Absolutely love it. So I did go ahead and get a copy for myself, which I gifted the boys. So we have it in our collection of books and they're on it as co-writers. So I just love that for them. I gifted them on Christmas Day, and you know, made a little video, and that was ages ago. So the book was actually written, it was written over a period of months, because you can't just get up one day and write a book. It's a whole process. So the book was actually completed, finalized and submitted and went live on Amazon at the end of November. So that was one of my goals for the end of November, and I did that. So it was published at that time. However, I did not go about sharing it because when it went live, I did not receive my author's copy as it. So I didn't want to, you know, promote something that I didn't really get to see, touch, feel, experience myself. So I just waited a little. I got my author's copy. So far, the only persons I've shared it with is just like my immediate family, like the boys and stuff like that. But I've been through it and it's pretty good. I love it. For my first book, it's just a joy to see come to life, and I've been sharing that with the world now. So I'm telling you guys that your girl is now a self-published author on Amazon, and if you'd love to support me in any way, shape or form, or support the boys, because this is also their passion project as well, you can click the link down below in my description. I'll leave a direct link there for you and you can check it out. And if you're here in Jamaica and you know you can't wait on Amazon, as I said, just send me a message and I will send you one of the copies that I am shipping down, and I can get it to you either, you know, in person if you're in my area, or we can send it via Nutsford Express. Alright guys, this is just so amazing, and I don't know how to express how I'm feeling right now, because I'm someone who loves to write. I've written short stories before, I've written poems. I've literally written a book that has never seen the light of day because I did not publish it. Right now I'm trying to dig up in my email and try to find it to see if I can like finish it, because I did write the first book, and I think it came to a conclusion in the end. I'm not sure, but the story continues. So I'd love to make that like a series or something, but for the life of me I can't find the manuscript. And that was ages ago. That was like probably 10 years ago, guys. So to see it all come together now is just a full circle moment for me, and I'm looking forward to writing so many more books, like just to be creative in any way, shape or form, because in this life I think we should all explore our passions, our creativity. Don't be deterred by, you know, the traditional jobs that are available, the jobs that are being, you know, pushed more, because at the end of the day it's what makes you happy, it's what makes your heart full. So why not go for it? If you want to be a singer, go for it. If you want to be an artist, dancer, like anything in the creative arts, because I feel like the creative arts isn't supported enough. I mean, I've seen that change as time goes along, because even now people are accepting content creators as, you know, actual workers, like content creation as an actual job that is, you know, generating income. And it's just so sad that you have to literally try to prove your worth in that aspect of being a content creator, because it's not easy, trust me, especially here in the Caribbean. It's not easy at all. You literally have it 10 times harder than persons who are working a 9 to 5, and in so many aspects, because even when it comes to like proof of income and stuff like that, they really don't take it serious. So when you say, oh, you're a content creator, you need to be showing proof that you're generating legal, consistent income and all of that. So it's basically you trying to prove yourself all over again. But I would implore anybody who is a creative like myself to just delve in your passion, just go all in. You only have one life to live in, and that's what I tell myself. I have one life to live, And if I don't do it now, when am I gonna do it? So this is your sign to do what your heart has been, what has been tugging on your heart. You're calling, what has been whispering in your ear and say, come over this side. Let's write a book, let's start a business, let's, cultivate a talent. Like, just listen to that voice and get it done. So yeah, that's basically it for me this morning. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm gonna hit the gym and then we'll catch up a little bit afterwards. And as usual, just continue to be the light in this world because it's a very dark place and it needs you. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few. Well, I'm gonna have apple, guys. Apple for breakfast this morning because the apple tree is in bloom. So yeah, I'm gonna snack on this and we'll come back later. Excuse me. So it seems we have a little ant problem. So ask where the ants here come from, but yeah. So I have the bag on for the ants them because them now come take over this place. It says it kills bugs fast, so I'm gonna spray some. I'll move all them something first before I spray them. I don't understand where them come from or what them try to follow. Usually we have a fly problem but never an ants problem. So yeah guys, what's the update for today? So I already sprayed them. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe them away. It's just a handful of them though, like where them come from? Who is your master? Alright, so that takes care of that. When I'm making some breakfast. Oh my god, why it sound like the egg crack? So I'm making boiled eggs today for breakfast. Whee! Workout was good and I would say I've been in the gym for like a year now, right? I started last year, like right before my birthday, so I put it at almost a year, like 10 months on and off, and trust me, I have seen major results. Like people keep telling me that I look different, like I've lost a lot of weight, I'm looking toned, and if I swell up, right? So I'm gonna show you guys a little before and after, like my first day in the gym versus today. So let's do like a little 10-month update of what I looked like then and what I look like now. And black is kind of slimming, but I'm not gonna lie, I've lost a lot of like belly fat. I have unfortunately lost some glutes maximus around here. I've lost a little ass. I'm not happy about that. But as it relates to my arms, I'm a little bit more toned, my legs are a little bit more toned, and let us not get into like my energy level because working out does wonders for your productivity. And I can only speak from experience. Like the beginning of the year, I was having a little crash out session because I was just so overwhelmed, and I think one of the things that was missing is my morning routine or working out, moving my body. And like once I started moving, like the mental clarity that I experienced, top notch. So I would implore you all to just get up and move your bodies, if it's even 15 minutes out of the day, because it does wonders. So currently trying to get in my protein intake now. I'm making some boiled eggs. 2 should be fine. I can't eat more than 2 eggs. Fried, boiled, scrambled, don't even matter. I can't eat more than 2 eggs. So that's what I'm doing now. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but my sewing machine, because yesterday I was doing some work and I realized that my sewing machine got jammed. So I called the machine man, I don't know. He's a sewing machine repair man, and he said he could make it this morning. So he's actually on his way, so I'm waiting on him now. He should be here any minute. because listen, I can't afford for the machine down, right? I'm getting a couple orders this week. Everything get pushed back now because the machine is down. So I'm just waiting for him to get back and repair that, and then we can see what we get up to for the rest of the day. As it stands, oh, I need to go and order the books, guys. Yeah, so that's on my to-do list. So get the machine out of the way, go and place an order for the books. The Christmas tree is still up, as you guys know. I don't even know if you guys saw, but the Christmas tree is still up in all its glory. Well, not all its glory, because as you can see, the star is crooked AF. Like, who fast with the star? The star is so crooked. Like, can you just stay? Took it down from the stand that it was on, and a part of the reason why I put it up on the stand is because I thought it was too short. I wanted it to be a little bit taller, plus I didn't want the boys, you know, being able to easily access it, because they would have wrecked it. As you can see, it has tumbled down many a times. I don't know when you guys take down your Christmas tree, but mine ain't coming down anytime soon. I am not gonna cap. We ain't taking this down anytime soon. But let me know, guys, when did you take down your Christmas tree? What you think is like the perfect tenure to have a Christmas tree up? Because people would say like a month or a couple weeks, depending on when you put it up. If you put it up early in November, then I guess you could take it down like New Year's. But remember, we got off to a pretty late start in December. So I'm thinking mid-January thereabout. I want to do make some changes to the living space. So maybe when I have like everything ready, then we can go ahead and take it down. But yeah, guys, that's it for little morning update. I'm gonna wait on this man for reach, and I'm gonna see if the egg's ready so we can eat.
See, but it's for this one. About $1,200
Okay. No, I don't know bad.
Or if you can make it buy one buck for the 3010 Highland on the street, like
The car oil, 3010?
Yeah, man, but man, 3010, it's light, you know, not as light as what it can work.
It can work, alright. I'm gonna ask him if you buy it for me.
Yeah, try something.
Yeah, but let's see if something will be
And too tight, you're never going to let them all crack on your material. It's about two where you're not supposed to crack it up, because mostly
stretch.
it's fine at the stitches, you see? The more stretch you get, the more believe that you longer, you get more stretch. If you find out it is
more stretch,
you want to stretch, because if you make something fine and you want to fit close to you, you want to put it down, you know, you're
yeah, I used to have that problem.
Yeah, you know, they don't want to have that. If you have that problem, in a year type of work, if you have that, it's problem. Because people complain and say, it's a crack, and you don't want the crack. You want, when you go like this, you can get one more inch out of it.
So the machine is good and up and ready now. Thank you to Mr. Sutherland. I appreciate you coming by on such short notice, as usual. Yes, so don't know. So do you like travel? How far you travel? Like you travel island wide, go Mobile and all them things?
Some people call me all that Cayman anyway.
Cayman? So you fly out, go fix it? That's all I'm saying, go Cayman. So guys, any of you on here want any machine fix, I'm gonna leave Mr. Sutherland's contact. I can leave your contact with him, right? It's for YouTube. Alright, so you're just gonna link up Mr. Sutherland, guys, and he'll fix your machine for your domestic, industrial, you name it, he's got you. And him saying that we fly out anywhere in the world you are.
Not America.
Not America, alright, big up yourself, Mr. Sutherland. Small island, alright, no problem. Oh, okay, nice.
Well, now, yeah. Yeah, we could have probably reached them. They could drop down the branch. That, alright. So come look, yes, man. Come look.
Where am I here?
You see, where you see them on the behind?
Oh my goodness.
Them there.
Oh, I'm gonna get what I say now.
Yeah.
I'm get what I say.
That nice is even but there's no way I can log up stay under it.
I'm not opposed. Guys, I look apple. Them say I'm gonna alright, leave me for sort out the apples. But we've gotten like a good amount of apples so far. Not telling them, I'm tired of apple now, to be honest. I've made apple jam, oh my goodness. I tell them about the apple jam, I make apple jam for the boys, but them don't want to eat it. But I'm seeing a few like literally arm's length, like arm's reach. Let me show you guys. They're literally like right here. And I can just pick them, but them not ready, so I'll just leave them until another time. Guys, I'm also making some rice and corned beef. People them request. They requested the rice and the corned beef, guys. So I have 2 cans of rice, of course, reduced salt, so they say, and some rice. I'm just there with the rice. I usually pick my rice. The rice here look kind of clean, so now I'm gonna just wash it, put it in the pot with some butter, some salt, and let it, you know, do its thing. I wanna know if I mean, just oh my God, what did you get, baby? Some can't manage the young man. What do you have to say? The boys are doing homework. What you got to say? How many pages you have today? That never look like much. 2 pages.
2 pages?
Yeah. Pardon me, I'm not hearing you. I think you guys are the age where you don't even need my help for homework.
What?
Yeah, I can do the homework.
What do you mean?
G-O-D? Got.
No, D-O-T.
Got. Yeah, if there was an A, then it would be goat. So G-O-A-T is goat. Right, my love? Yeah, because once I can read the instructions, you don't need my help. You won't need no help.
Wait, mommy? Can you make me dumpling? Mommy, can you make me?
Dumpling. Go get some rice today, Javi. Today's rice day. Can we make dumplings tomorrow? Talk to me, yes or no?
What?
Can we make dumplings tomorrow?
No.
Why not?
So mommy, they were all about reading, and I did red ball for
You
them.
read those pages, alright, next.
And now I didn't do the page, and I don't have Okay.
So what are the instructions? Circle the correct pronoun to match each picture.
I already know that because they did the one for me.
So how do you know when to use he versus she?
Because I know, because boys are called he and girls are called she. But that's why I know.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now this one C because I look like one girl. Mommy, look what I did. Chibba-labba-zabba-labba.
Let me see. Boy, good job,
Now
Johnny.
I think you'll watch.
What time is it?
Mom, what the clocks are we gonna watch?
You have to tell me the time now. What's the current time?
390.
3, what do you use? What number?
390 o'clock.
390.
Okay, 390.
4 o'clock, you guys can watch. Jamir, come here, my love. Daddy's on the phone. These guys are getting out of hand. Can you get me the zapper, please? Look in the sewing room.
What's that?
Zapper in the sewing room. So I can zap their asses. That's what I'm making for dinner. Or lunch.
I didn't get exactly like how that.
Are you guessing what I'm making?
Yeah, we're
What?
making corned beef with some ketchup.
Corned beef, your favorite.
Corned beef with some rice and some ketchup. Special dessert.
Is it a special dessert?
Yeah.
Do you know what dessert is? So why I said dessert? Guys, but there I cut up some seasoning for the corned beef. Why am I cut up the seasoning?
No,
To put in the corned beef, what do you mean?
but I want normal corned beef.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you the corned beef before I add it. Well, I don't know what part they'll go in. If I cook a separate pot of corned beef for them kids, because them don't eat. Them not like no onion, tomato, nothing at all. Once them see one little speck in the thing, them no want to eat it.
Daddy don't like vegetables.
Why don't I like vegetables? Vegetables are good for you. I'm also gonna go ahead and add the secret sauce. One time Jammer asked me why is it called corned beef if there's no corn in it. But personally speaking, I love a good corned beef with corn. I think that like puts it over the top, right, Jammer? Again, they don't eat anything in their corned beef, but we love corned beef with corn, mixed veg. What else you can put corned beef in corned beef? Macaroni. You ever tried that one before? Corned beef and macaroni. I'm gonna cook it for you. Don't worry.
If I see that or eat that, I will spit it out.
You gonna spit it out? Jamir, I was just telling your father a story about when I was little, and I used to live with animals.
What?
No bother with it, please. I'm talking about real animals like cows and goats and chickens. Like, stop no like rooster used to wake me up at morning time. I used to live in a dinosaur. Like rooster used to legit in our mango tree. I said, you know, if I wake up and get ready for go to school. That's so weird to you. You don't know them life there. Them know you know them life the people. Them grow up uptown, you know. I'm from a small town in the country. As we tell them, used to, my grandfather used to have goats, cows, chicken, everything, you name it. Alright? So Jamir, one morning when Grandpa or Papa was tying out his cows and the cow was running, Mommy had on a red shirt. And the cow was running me down like, what's this correlation between cows and the color red? Like, I think in their eyes, they sense danger or something like that, and the cow was running me down. And I was had to run away from the cow. Imagine the cow did catch me. Listen, the cow was ice me up in the air. He never catch me. Catch me. One thing with me, I'm maga. I used to fast. Like, I used to do tracks in the high school and the people. I said that for you. You see how quick you look around? I said that specifically for you. Because you try to hold down my tracks career. People, them never used to do nothing in the high school. And just because me used to do tracks, them jealous. My farmer though. Them jealous. Them jealous some used to do tracks. And I mean, nobody with it. Nobody know he has the chess play. It's a kick tool go. Kick two ball and that's it. What are we doing? So Jamir is trying out the corn. Taste it and let them know how it tastes. I mean corn is a flavor. Right, taste. Jamir, stop it. It's actually delicious, right? Yeah, he likes it. So I'm to put it in the corned beef? No?
Yeah.
Alright, I will. Come. So let me get to chefing. Guys, let me tell you. So when I was in high school, I was very skinny. I was quiet. I never do no tracks. I joke me. I never used to do no type of sports like that. Only for PE. Like, I have asthma. If I run too hard, I have to catch my break. So I stayed away from sports and anything like that. But yeah, he played football and he said he did chess. So I guess you actually did some kind of activity in school, yes, my love?
I read 12 pages.
12 pages? That's good. Good job. The food is almost done.
I'm going to be very rough. I'm going
So yeah, we're chef up the corned beef though. I'm adding my secret ingredient, which is some ketchup. I hear ya. I'm gonna stir this up. And I'm gonna let it simmer down. I'm gonna also add some sweet corn. I think I added too much, but no wrong. Just gonna make this one simmer.
What are you doing? Mommy? Mommy, can we watch you're eating our food?
Sure. This is what you do.
Well, Mommy?
Ketchup, pour some ketchup on
Mommy?
the cheese. Smell
Can you order pizza the other day?
Which day?
Like, after Saturday.
After Saturday?
I thought the one to be right.
After Saturday is Sunday. No? Here you go, my love.
Ching, ching, ching.
Made me wanna leave you alone. Suddenly.
Mommy, can we watch for me your food?
Sure, baby.
Yeah.
And of course, I have to add ketchup on mine. Yep. Let's eat.
And Mommy, I want the water. Please.
Guys, it's Steve here, Norm from Your Dimension. I just wanted to do this quite awesome detail.
Let me come say what's on the seat. What's on that chair? I have a slight headache. It hurting, Jimmy. Did you pray before you ate? Did you pray before you ate? Can you say thank you, Lord, for this food? Yeah, what else? Okay, good. Where's the cover for the ketchup? Can you cover it, please? Jamie, why come like I drink up my water? You've been sipping on my water, bro? What's up?
No? Yeah, my water.
Okay, what's up, Jamie?
Beef.
Want some more beef?
Yeah, and rice.
What? That's how hungry you are? Your Jamie asked for more food. This is rare.
What do you mean?
Guys, this is so rare. Javi barely eats, so I'm going to give him some more food. Ketchup on it? Why don't come sit with us and eat? Javi's so antisocial, it's not even funny. Guy around there's a guy eat by himself.
kindergartners. My vision's bothered by vigilantes that harbor on street corners. Try your hardest to harvest bundles of weed on you. The starving, the speed on you, stampede on you, impede on your pockets, then pee on you. Dreams of us living lavish in fabrics of fine linen, spinning established with women dining and laughing.
So guys, I'm trying to go ahead and hang. Nigga, right is a kiki, nah lie. I knew you're hot.
Yeah.
Why the place so hot, my love? You're finally gonna get the fan for me, please, out the room. So I don't know if I should put it here. I mean, ideally, I'd love it to go like over here. Ideally, right? Like literally above the workspace. Not too high, like flush with the door. Kind of like here. This is okay where I can reach it. But I think I'm gonna need calls for 2 screws. Usually I just put one. What do you think? It asks for 2. It has 2 hooks. But usually I just like put one screw and then just hang it in the middle. Young man, yeah, I mean business. Can you stop the plane around? This can't happen. Go get the drill and come drill the hole for me, please. Is that my car with her? Get the tool. That one. I haven't done my car, but I'm gonna hang up the Jason. Can you stop? I'm gonna hang up the. Come on. That is to me, I around for you. We'll get them an drill.
A few inches later.
They're right with the tool, everything. All the tools and the one packaging. Awesome. And if you're wondering if I hate you. So guys, that was a bust. Apparently the drill. So guys, apparently the drill that we have, it needs to have this attachment. Oh my god, my nail is coming off. So I'm going to take off them nails here because they're coming off one by one. But as I said, the drill that we have has this little attachment, like a little bit or something, I don't know. And it's missing, so we're going to probably need to replace that before we can go ahead and drill the hole in the wall to go and hang my calendar. So just put it back on one part on this. So, and I've been here answering emails. I have 10 more minutes allotted for emails, and usually I like time myself. So whatever task I'm doing, I give myself either like 30 minutes, an hour, whatever the case may be. And once that time is reached, or that time limit is reached, I stop. And that's how I kind of try to remain like productive, because listen, some of these things will just take up an entire day and it's like you can't get nothing else done. And as usual, the trucks, like these trucks won't let me degrade. So I have 9 more minutes for reply to emails, and then I go back and finish a project, because I was actually sewing when the machine got jammed. So I'm going to try to finish that. Well, let's see if I can take like 2 hours and do that. And then I have to place some orders on Amazon after I'm done. Jamir over this and relax. You hear the tab? Jamir, why is the tab so loud, my love? Can you turn it down a bit? Jamir, can you turn it down a bit, please? Yeah, that's it for today. Your girl is beat as usual. Like, as you can see, my days are really hectic. So after I'm done put in some Amazon orders, I'm gonna go do in the evening. I don't even know. Javi want me to watch movies. Like, every night they want to watch movies. Like, they don't understand that mommy can't watch movie every night. So we might make some popcorn and sit and watch a movie for like a couple minutes tops, because the thing with them is that ask you to put on a movie, right? You think they're gonna sit through the entire hour, 2 hours or whatnot. No, as 30 minutes come them tired, their attention span is out the window, and they want to move on to something else. So you not pay them no mind. So yeah, that's the pre. have people inquiring about Amazon KDP. Like Amazon KDP is a godsend, guys. Trust me. If you want to self-publish, Amazon KDP is where it's at, and it's not hard. I think the hardest part of self-publishing is just the process of writing the book and compiling everything, because once you have everything set, uploading your stuff to Amazon KDP is literally so straightforward. So I think you guys, if interested, should definitely go ahead and consider like publishing your books, publishing your work, artwork, anything, and put it up for sale. So yeah, I'm gonna go get this, I'm gonna hop off, and I'll check in with you guys if necessary. And a piece of cool breeze literally just lit me a while ago, guys. I love that for me. I mean, it's still winter time, so we are experiencing a little cold front, because even last night was so cold. Yeah, I love that, because this room is generally very hot. So I'm just gonna sit, relax, enjoy the breeze, answer my emails until my timer goes off, and then we'll get through the rest of the day. So yeah. As usual, guys, you know I'm watching MTM while I sew. Like, MTM is a staple in this household. Like, as long as it's a Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, and I'm doing anything productive, I'm watching MTM in the meantime. And I just love the entire family, guys. So just a while ago, Tammy was saying that you know, she wants to get back into like journaling or doing gratitude journals, and that's something that I've been thinking about doing as well, like having a gratitude journal and basically each day writing down something that you're grateful for. And I want to kind of sort of like incorporate it in the channel, where every vlog I post I include something that I am grateful for. So today, what am I grateful for today? So today I am grateful for the opportunity to, you know, be able to do what I love every single day. Like, every single thing that I commit my time to is something that I'm passionate about, and it also allows me to spend like quality time with the boys when needed. I mean, they're not as clingy anymore. Back in the day, like they usually did, and at that time I probably could not spend as much time as possible, or as much time as I wanted with them, but now I am afforded the opportunity to do that through, you know, just pursuing my passion, and that's something that I'll always be grateful for. So I'm gonna go back to MTM, but in the meantime I want you guys to drop in the comments and let me know what you are grateful for today, and maybe just start your own gratitude journal or your own gratitude chain on a daily basis. I think that would be fun. So yeah, I have a couple more straps to make. I have this long one. These are a couple straps I'm gonna put on this dress, and I realize that I don't even show you guys the dress. It's like this full length, kind of see-through. It's actually made of mesh. Love the print. It's like a little zebra print, and it has like some little suede on it. And these are the sleeves, like a little bell sleeve vibe. And then it's gonna have some strings right here to like tie it, to give it a little, you know, cinch if needed. So yeah, this is what I'm working on. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hem this, and then I'm gonna add my straps, And I'm also making a skirt, so I'm gonna move on to the skirt, and then that should be it for me and sewing for the day. So pins over here, pins over here.
You dress up in the regular days that he was so dead and one of your best. Oh, you're not telling people them say you could be a bed and optical and chill facilities. Oh, you tell them?
Come on, man. Work with me. Guys, the guys keep sliding down. So the sun just went down. It was beautiful. I was trying to hurry up to catch the sunset. Give me a second, my love. Let's put on this dress. I want to put her feet first. So I'm gonna put her legs in. Put her for the head down, yeah? You're supposed to go in feet first. Because it has like a little mermaid thing going on. Murder. This is how it's looking on my mannequin, which is a small. I'm gonna pin it up. I'm gonna add a couple pins to it. Jamaican, can you turn on the light for me, please? You know me? Turn on the light for mama. I added some pins just to cinch it in. You like it?
Yeah, that was what you want to look like.
You like it? Is it cute? So that's what it's giving. And it's up close. It has like the zebra stripes. How cute. It has a little boat neck vibe going on here. And then if you go all the way down, well, don't miss the sleeves, guys. It has a little bell sleeve as well, all the way down to the wrist, and then you have a little mermaid chain, nothing too extra, but just a little chain down there, and I think it's cute. It's giving, right? It's definitely giving all the vibes. I love it.